Welcome to Goldopedia, where we delve into the fascinating world of gold and explore some of the most incredibly odd questions about this precious metal. Join us on a journey of discovery as we unravel the mysteries and misconceptions surrounding gold, from its presence in the human body to its elusive traces in seawater and beyond. Question 1. Does the human body contain gold? Imagine, if you will, a scenario where your very being holds a tiny trace of gold within. It's true, the human body does indeed contain minuscule amounts of gold, dispersed throughout its biological framework, while the exact amount may vary. It's estimated that the average human weighing about 160 pounds carries approximately 0.2 milligrams of gold. This gold is found in various tissues and organs, playing a role in biological processes that science is only beginning to understand. But before you start pondering the prospect of recycling yourself for precious metal, consider this. The amount of gold present is so infinitesimal that it's hardly worth the effort. Question 2. Does seawater contain gold? Oh, the vast expanse of the ocean, a treasure trove of mysteries, including traces of gold shimmering amidst the waves. Yes, seawater does contain minute quantities of gold, but the sheer volume of water makes extracting it a Herculean task. Per most estimates, 1 gallon of average seawater contains about 4 billionths of a gram of gold. Another way to look at it, someone has estimated that all the water in all the oceans on Earth contains a total of about 20-1 tons of gold. But when you stop to consider that there are more than 332 million cubic miles of water in all the oceans on Earth per the US Geological Survey, it's going to be pretty difficult to get your hands on it. So unless you have a super-powered pump and an abundance of time, your dreams of oceanic gold may remain just that, dreams. Question 3. Does sand contain gold? From the sun-kissed beaches of California to the icy rivers of Alaska, the allure of gold hidden within sand beckons treasure seekers far and wide. While it's true that certain gold-rich regions may yield promising finds, sifting through sand in search of gold elsewhere is akin to searching for a needle in a haystack. In areas where gold is relatively common, such as parts of Northern California and Alaska targeted during the gold rush of 1849, it is indeed possible to find enough gold and sand to be worth recycling. It is also true that in those same areas, it is possible to dredge large quantities of sand found on the ocean floor and obtain gold that can be refined profitably. But if you're living in an area where gold is not generally found, chances are slim that you are going to find enough of it to recycle by sifting through sand. Question 4. Do glass soft drink bottles contain gold? It's a curious notion indeed, the idea that something as mundane as a glass bottle could harbor tiny quantities of gold. While it's technically possible for various substances to contain trace amounts of gold, the feasibility of extracting it from glass bottles remains a topic of debate. Yes, they probably do, but then again, the same could be said of golf balls, eucalyptus leaves, and the air we breathe. The fact is, many substances contain tiny quantities of gold of varying purity, but that doesn't mean it is worth extracting. And although there is currently one company that claims that it possesses the technology to profitably extract gold from glass bottles, it seems far-fetched, if not impossible, given the fact that glass bottles are not made from chemicals that contain gold, or sand that contains gold. Where would that gold come from? And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of incredibly odd questions about gold. Join us on Goldopedia as we continue to unravel the mysteries and marvels of this timeless metal. Subscribe now and embark on a golden journey unlike any other.